Hey there, in this video, I'm going to tell you how patents work. My name is JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm, author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents book. I've helped inventors for over 10 years and gotten thousands of inventors, applications drafted, and resulted in almost 500 patents issued today. I'm here to share with you the overall consensus as to why patents are such a big deal and how they're accomplished, how inventors get patents issued. And most of all, why they're important. The first sentence, the first structure of this is why patents are important. They are really the foundational aspect of most technology companies that are started today. Patents can give you that monopoly to compete against other inventors, other competitors in the market. You're the only player. You get to have a true monopoly, have that carved out niche that can be all yours for up to 20 years. Now, how do you get that? You've got to come up with something novel, non-obvious, and has utility. Okay, that's not easy. So if you are a co-founder, part of your company, your startup, you've found something that you think is unique, give us a call today. Let's do some research to see what exactly you've uncovered, how you have really differentiated your business, your product, your technology to be able to make that unique differentiation, that unique market advantage that you're going to need as you begin to fundraise, grow, and dominate in your market industry. Now, the way patents work is you use that as a negative right. So when you get a patent, you don't get all these additional things, or you don't get a flow of income. And certainly you don't get the ability to go do something. It's the ability to prevent others from making, using, selling, or importing that invention into the United States. And if you decide to go get patents beyond the US, the sky's the limit. You can do that around the world. But let's stay focused in the United States. So those four big rights, they're negative rights. So you have to be on the hunt. There's no police out there for the patent office. You and your company are going to have to enforce your patent rights against infringers, the bad guys, the little guys, and yes, the big guys. So there's approaches that we can help you with. For example, getting patent insurance, affordable, threatening on litigation front, sending really detailed cease and desist letters that will scare anyone if they are threatened by a triple damage threat because they were willfully infringing. There's lots of ways to position yourself, even as the little guy or little gal in this scenario, or patents that are federally backed in all 50 states, that you have what you deserve because you've contributed to the United States knowledge. You've helped us all become smarter by telling us how to make or use your invention. And in exchange, the government is giving you up to 20 years of proprietary, right? The monopoly, the only one that's able to do this for that amount of time. So that's the basic of how patents work. If you have any questions, please click below, follow up with us to get a free screening session, a discovery call to learn about whether your information, which you have got, is unique enough and whether you've got what it takes to be a bold client. All right, everybody, take care and have a good day. Go big, go bold.